So hello everyone, back in a new video. So today I'm gonna unbox this package which I received from Amazon.in. Basically I ordered a RAM of DDR3. So let's see the quality of this RAM and let's go on unboxing this kind of package. Okay, so I'm opening this package. Okay, so here's the RAM. The company is Sahasra. Okay, so the RAM is made in India, and in YouTube there's no video of reviewing this kind of RAM. So I guess I'm the only one to make a video on this company RAM. So I'm gonna open this out and I'm gonna test this RAM. Okay. So it's 8 GB. It's 8 GB DDR3 1600 megahertz SODIMM RAM, and it's made in India. So at the back side of this package, you can see the details mentioned here. So as you guys can see, the return MRP on the back side is 4,699. So as you guys can see, the amount they charged me is 1,995 rupees, and the tax amount is 298 rupees. Okay, so with GST. So I'm going to take out this RAM. Okay, so let's take out it. So here's the RAM, DDR3 8 GB RAM, made in India, and the company brand Sahasra. So at the back side also you can see, there is 4 chip. There is total 8 chip, 4 on the left side and 4 on the right side. Total 8 chips are there. I don't know it's chips or I don't know what it is called. So you guys can help me by commenting down below. So now I'm gonna put this RAM inside my laptop. Okay, so here's my laptop. So I'm going to put this 8 GB made in India DDR3 RAM inside my laptop. So let's see if my laptop supports this unknown kind of RAM or not. So I'm gonna put this RAM in my laptop, and my laptop already consists of a 6 GB RAM. In one slot there is 4 GB RAM, and in another slot there is 2 GB RAM. So I have the screwdriver right over here, and I'm gonna unscrew the laptop RAM case. So I'm gonna simply unscrew the slot, and I'm gonna put the RAM inside the compartment, I guess. So here's my 2 GB RAM. So I'm gonna sell this 2 GB RAM in around 500 rupees, and here's my 4 GB RAM. Here's my 8 GB RAM, and as you guys can see, they are totally same size because they both are DDR3 model. So these are 4 GB RAM, and this is of 8 GB RAM. So let's plug this out. So I'm gonna put this inside this laptop RAM. Okay. Bene. So it is locked. So now I'm gonna put back my case, and I'm gonna screw it up. So here's my DDR3 2GB RAM. So I'm gonna put this back in the case of my new. So let's turn on this laptop. This DDR3 8 GB RAM supports my laptop or not. So there's already 4 GB of RAM inside. So by putting on an extra 8 GB RAM, this will be a total of 12 GB RAM on my laptop. So I'm just waiting for my laptop to boot up, and hopefully it works. 4 plus 8 is equals to 10 to 12. Okay. So as you guys can see, there is 12 GB RAM, and it is good. It is quite good than a data and all those kind of RAM, because this is made in India, and we should always support the made in India products. Okay, so this Sahasra RAM is good. So I will see you guys in next one.